All right, I want to make a brief video real quick on this Estro Vapore espresso maker, similar to a Starbucks Barista model. This is a really old unit. I think they made this in the late 90s. Anyway, this has been sitting for 20 years and I wanted to get it going again. So the symptoms I had was it was making steam, but it wouldn't put any water through the brew head. So what I did is I removed the boiler, which was sitting right there. Here's the boiler. Splits open into two pieces here, well, multiple pieces. So the brew head component, where the brew head locks in, goes on the bottom here, okay? So what I found was I didn't even have to disassemble this. I just thought that maybe the boiler would have had some calcium buildup in it or something. But regardless, I'll clean it out now that I have it out. So at the bottom of the brew head, you have this little valve. It's almost like a main jet in a carburetor. The spring sits in there so that it stays closed and doesn't drip until it builds pressure. So if you look in here, okay, that's where this almost like a main carburetor jet sits. Okay, so I removed that. This tube that goes up to the top of what would sit inside the boiler sits like this, okay? That tube, what was happening was it was completely clogged. Now, don't know if you could see that, but you could see through it, no problem. Before, it was completely clogged with crap and no water was passing through. So I'm going to reassemble this, run a few cups of diluted vinegar through it, and see what happens. Okay, so it appears to have been working. To be working now, rather. I've reassembled the boiler. Right now, it's just heating. They say it's important to purge with the steam wand first. Get fresh water in the boiler. Shut that off. Wait for the green light for it to say ready. And also, a side note, I've removed this little piece with the two holes in it that distributes it into 2 cups. So, okay, the ready light came on. Now I press the coffee button. And you can see its passageway is clear. And it is working now. So I'm going to run some water through the boiler for now. And empty the reservoir from the water vinegar mixture. And hopefully it makes some good espresso. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. There's really not much information on these machines out there. And definitely subscribe. Thanks.